How to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. So in order to enable Bitcoin on Cash App or to verify your Cash App account, you have to follow this instructions. First of all, go ahead and log in into your Cash App account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to this page where you have to go ahead and select the icon from the top or select Add Cash. Now go ahead and enter in the exact amount and click on Add button. Now you need to select whether it's cash, Bitcoin, or you want to transfer. So select Bitcoin. Then it's going to take you to the other field. Once again, go ahead and select enable withdrawal and deposit. After that, you need to go ahead and select the trading icon from the bottom. Go ahead and select the Bitcoin. After you're done with that, go ahead and select the buy button. When you do that, it's going to show you all of these information. So select the next button, and then you successfully confirmed or enabled Bitcoin on Coinbase. So that's how you can enable Bitcoin on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.